Hey guys, welcome back to SAK Car Review. Today we're diving into one of the most iconic luxury SUVs in the world, the 2025 Mercedes G63 AMG. Known for its boxy design, unparalleled performance, and luxurious interior, the G63 continues to push boundaries. Stick with us as we break down everything you need to know about this latest powerhouse from Mercedes-Benz. Design and exterior. The 2025 Mercedes G63 AMG stays true to its roots, maintaining the unmistakable boxy silhouette that has made the G-Class an automotive legend. The front fascia is dominated by the signature AMG Panamericana grille, flanked by circular LED headlights. This year's model introduces subtle refinements, such as sharper body lines and new wheel designs, including 22-inch forged alloys for a sportier stance. Mercedes offers a range of striking color options, from classic obsidian black to bold new shades like twilight magenta. Paired with its flared wheel arches and quad exhaust pipes, the G63 continues to exude a rugged yet sophisticated aura. Performance and powertrain. Under the hood, the 2025 G63 AMG houses a 4.6-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, producing a staggering 585 horsepower and 627 lve of torque. It's paired with a 9-speed AMG speed shift transmission and an advanced 4MATIC all-wheel drive system. This beast accelerates from 0 to 60 mph in just 4.3 seconds. Impressive for an SUV weighing over 5,800 pounds. AMG has fine-tuned the suspension to enhance both off-road capability and on-road agility. Whether you're navigating rugged trails or cruising the highway, the G63 delivers a commanding performance. Interior and technology. Step inside and you're greeted by a world of luxury. The 2025 G63 AMG features a cabin adorned with Napa leather upholstery, customizable ambient lighting, and carbon fiber or wood trim accents. The spacious interior comfortably seats 5, with ample legroom and headroom. The dual 12.3-inch displays serve as the digital instrument cluster and infotainment system, powered by Mercedes' latest MBUX interface. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Burmester surround sound system ensure an immersive tech experience. Additionally, advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, provide an advanced safety and convenience. Off-road capability. Despite its luxury focus, the G63 AMG remains a true off-roader at heart. It boasts 3 locking differentials, a low-range transfer case, and an impressive 9.5-inch of ground clearance. Whether tackling sand dunes or rocky trails, the G63 proves it can conquer the toughest terrains with ease. Pricing and conclusion. The 2025 Mercedes G63 AMG starts at around $180,000, with customization options that can push the price significantly higher. It's not just a vehicle. It's a statement of power, luxury, and exclusivity. At SAK Car Review, we believe the G63 AMG stands as a testament to Mercedes-Benz's ability to merge rugged performance with unmatched elegance. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or a luxury connoisseur, the G63 AMG continues to impress in every aspect. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SAK Car Review for more in-depth car reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 G63 AMG. See you next time.